The sound outlet of your hearing aid features a very narrow opening that can easily become obstructed by a small amount of earwax. In this video, we will show you how to clean your device to prevent clogs and ensure you continue to hear clearly with your hearing aid. Start by using the cleaning tool to remove any earwax or debris from the ear tip. Next, detach the ear tip from the hearing aid. Finally, clean any remaining earwax or debris from the hearing aid itself, including the sound outlet and the ear tip. Thanks for watching.